Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your paper money account in Thinkorswim so you can start fresh with a clean simulated balance without affecting any real money. So first, you want to open your Thinkorswim on your computer and make sure you're logged into paper money, right? Not a live trading account. Paper money is the practice mode and the reset option only works there. Now, once you're inside, you want to go to the account summary. Then this is where you see your account value right over here. Account value, buying power, cash balance. From here, you want to click all accounts. Then from the drop down, you want to select the specific paper money account you want to reset. So if you have multiple paper accounts for different strategies, you want to make sure you pick the correct one. Now let's go ahead and choose, for example, this one. Then from here, you want to look near your cash balance and find the reset button right over here. You want to click this and a confirmation message will pop up. Now, this is just to make sure you really want to reset the account. Just confirm the action and the system will reset your simulated balance and clear all simulated positions. And by the way, after the reset, your paper money balance will return to default money, usually around 200,000 USD, and all open simulated trades and orders will be removed. Now, take a quick look at your account summary and positions tab to make sure everything is cleared. That's it. That's how you reset your paper money account in Thinkorswim and start practicing from scratch. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.